Teltonika RUTM50 5G router review. Honest proof of dual SIM failover and industrial durability.
Ever had your entire site go dark because the internet just stopped? I was consulting for a construction client when their fourth broadband outage in 2 months killed access to project files, VoIP, and security cameras. Complete chaos. The crew stood around for 3 hours waiting for the ISP to show up. If you've ever lost revenue or credibility because connectivity failed at the worst possible moment, you know exactly how that feels.
That sinking feeling of total disconnection, the pressure of explaining downtime to frustrated stakeholders, hits hard. My client tried consumer hotspots and basic LTE routers, but they buckled under load, dropped VPN tunnels, or lacked real failover. Every solution was another compromise. There had to be a smarter, calmer way to guarantee uptime at remote sites without constantly firefighting connectivity crises or paying for expensive redundant wired lines that still shared the same failure points.
Then everything changed when I found the solid signal Teltonika RUTM50 5G industrial router. Don't just pick any industrial cellular router. Make sure it has true dual SIM automatic failover with multi-carrier support, so you never waste time on single point of failure connectivity disasters that literally everyone in remote operations complains about again. I deployed the RUTM50 at that construction site with T-Mobile and AT&T SIMs installed. The 5G connection delivered consistent 250 to 400 megabits per second download speeds, transforming the trailer into a fully functional office with zero lag. Here's what surprised me. The router didn't just provide speed, it delivered resilience as a superpower. Dual SIM failover meant if one carrier dropped, the second took over in under 20 seconds, keeping VPN tunnels, VoIP calls, and camera feeds alive without interruption. 4 gigabit Ethernet ports handled wired devices seamlessly, while Wi-Fi 5 supported mobile tablets and laptops for the crew. VPN support, OpenVPN, IPsec, WireGuard locked down every byte of data in transit with enterprise-grade encryption. Let me be honest, Teltonika's RMS cloud platform gave me remote visibility and control I'd never experienced with any router before. I could monitor signal strength, data usage, and system health in real time from anywhere.
The long-term benefits became clear fast. My client's crew stopped losing hours to outages. They just worked, day after day, without disruption. A network engineer I respect mentioned in a professional forum that Teltonika routers have saved substations during carrier failures more times than I can count. And an IoT solutions architect I follow called the RUTM50 a powerhouse for heavy data applications like live video streaming from remote assets. A public transit fleet manager shared that after installing these on over 100 buses, the dual SIM setup eliminated dead zones entirely, keeping passenger Wi-Fi and real-time telematics flowing without interruption across entire metro routes. I know the price feels high compared to consumer routers, but here's the reality. One outage at a critical site costs more in lost revenue than this router ever will. The industrial-grade construction, operating reliably from -40 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius, means it survives conditions that fry consumer gear in hours. The wide DC voltage input works seamlessly with vehicle power, solar installations, or standard adapters, so deployment flexibility is genuinely unmatched. Switching from a consumer solution is simple. RUTOS's intuitive web interface gets you fully configured in under 2 hours, even if you're not a network engineer. Instead of fearing the next outage, imagine checking your phone, seeing every remote site green and connected on the RMS dashboard, and never worrying again. Does your current setup give you that kind of confidence? Picture this. Every remote site, vehicle, or pop-up location stays online, always. Your VPNs stay secure, your teams stay productive, and you manage it all from one clean, centralized dashboard. Thousands of fleet operators, construction managers, industrial IoT professionals, and enterprise IT teams already rely on the solid signal Teltonika RUTM50 5G industrial router to eliminate connectivity anxiety and guarantee uptime. If you're ready to stop gambling with unreliable connections and start controlling your network with true carrier-redundant 5G performance, the affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment below. It's time to upgrade your connectivity to industrial strength.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.